All right, the stormy midweek behind us. We can look forward to a pretty good weekend.
Good weekend, and it will feel more like late October.
Yeah, appropriate.
Yes, temperatures on Sunday may struggle to even hit 50. So
good thing I am out of town.
I have to change like my wardrobe. I haven't switched over from
This is the
summer
weekend
stuff
to change it out.
Yeah, exactly. It is quiet out there right now, and during the day tomorrow, I think around this time, there will be a few showers out there, especially in southern and central Maine. So if you have Friday evening plans, that's something to be aware of. And then the weekend is cooler, upper 40s north to low 50s south. The next chance for significant precipitation isn't until the middle of next week, but there is something brewing for that time frame. We're in the mid 50s right now on the coastline, upper 40s to around 50 in the mountains, and there are a few spot sprinkles and showers mainly over the terrain, nothing that's particularly heavy. But over the next few days, storm system will be sitting and spinning to our north, and these waves of energy will come through, one being tomorrow evening, maybe another one on Sunday, and with that, it's just enough for a sprinkle or shower. I don't think we get much steady rain at all, but there will be a few spot showers from time to time. Overnight tonight, skies will be clearing out, and by tomorrow morning, temperatures will be in the 30s to around 40. Tomorrow morning should be mostly sunny, at least for a few hours, but clouds will be coming in during the afternoon from west to east, and there may be a shower or two late in the day, particularly in western Maine and New Hampshire, 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. So if you do have plans for tomorrow evening, that's something to be aware of. Before any showers arrive, though, upper 50s in central and southern Maine, low to mid 50s farther north. You can see that here tomorrow evening by 8 o'clock. Still a few showers around, so it might affect a few of the games out there. And then by Saturday morning, we start the day chilly in the 30s, and we don't warm up quite as much. Probably only getting into the low 50s for Saturday afternoon, and staying rather cloudy in the mountains and up north, where we stay in the 40s for both Saturday and Sunday. Now, as we go through the weekend, there is going to be this pocket of cool air that kind of digs over us. And what we have to watch out for early to mid next week is the possibility for a storm to form on this jet stream. Now, whether it goes out to sea or comes close enough to us remains a bit of a question, and part of the complication in that is there's a new tropical storm named Melissa south of Jamaica at this point, but over the next 5 days, it is barely going to move despite becoming a Category 4 hurricane near Jamaica by Tuesday. So where this goes will influence what happens off the East Coast next week. That's why we just have to watch it at this point, but that would be our next chance for any rain. Seas tomorrow 2 to 3 feet, northwest to westerly wind 5 to 10 knots on the water. So for tomorrow, just a chance for an afternoon or evening shower in central and southern Maine. Saturday, a mix of sun and clouds with highs in the low 50s. Coolest day of the weekend will be Sunday when we struggle to hit 50. And then a cool, dry start to early next week. And again, rain's possible Wednesday into Thursday. But there's almost like a traffic jam going on. And if one of the pieces moves, the track of the storm could change. So that's what we've got to watch for.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
Yeah.